Hello everybody. I will be making Jello, but I will be doing it in a different way with a little touch. So I want to share it with you in case you get some cravings. This is what I do when the weekend is close. So one day before the weekend starts, I make sure I have something sweet in the fridge. So in case my family that are not in a diet, they have their sweet crackers or whatever they're munching on, even popcorn, which is popcorn smells so strong. Oh my god. But anyway, be strong. I will be strong. So I will be making this Jello with my little special little trick, which I'm sure maybe it's not something new, maybe you've seen it elsewhere, but this is what I do. So I'm going to share it with you. Little by little, I will share what other stuff I make for the weekends in case, my family decide to have some ice cream. I think I already uploaded some ice cream popsicles and stuff like that. But anyways, little by little, I will share with you. So let's begin. I will just start making it and I'll just put the subtitles below if it's necessary. I'm going to be using the orange flavor, no sugar added Jello. This is orange. I'm going to be using 4 of those. The next ingredient will be whipping cream, or you can use the half and half cream if you don't have it. Okay, so that's what I'll be using. I just added some fruit. If you like to add fruits, you add it. If not, just like that is okay without anything. Now this is going to go in the fridge and it will firm up, and then it's time to serve. And that's how easy it is to make something that is very quick and so easy, something sweet. Just take away your cravings, which is 0 sugar, and I'll be back when it's done, when it's firm. There is the results, and you can see the fruit here. 2 layers without doing the extra job. So it automatically goes on the top, and on the bottom is the Jello. And that's how easy it is. Anyways, my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.